What is up, guys? Hope you're doing well. Today's little job, we're blocking this door up. So we're going to take it out, block up the inside with some block work, got some concrete solids, and then the bricks are coming later on. We're going to brick it up outside. Hope you enjoy. Them's the bricks we've got to match up to. Okay, so first off, we've just got to undo these screws and take the door off.
Life wasn't always good.
Right folks, the door is now out. Bye bye door. It's time to clean everything up. There's our sand and cement. There's our blocks. And yeah, it is snowing. It's actually snowing. So I don't think we're going to get the brickwork done today. We'll just have to do the block work. See, it's snowing. It's not actually too cold though.
I know that.
Alright folks, so we've cleaned this plasterboard off this side here because we need to get right back to here so we can drill some ties in. But next we are going to cut the cavity. We're going to measure 100mm here and create our cavity so that we can just continue this block work can break it through and the cavity can breathe as well, because it's been turned into a cavity now, not a door opening. So it's been closed off, so now we're going to cut down with this steel saw and open it up. Just this side as well, need to take all the plasterboard off that and do the same with that. Also at the bottom here, we need to take these tiles up. Only to there, only to here. Cleaned off both sides now. I've got the bottom cleaned off as well. Just going to load some blocks up and mix some mortar on this board inside. I'm going to hand mix it. Always hand mix hand. So what we've done here, we've marked 100mm and then we've drawn a pencil line, just held our level up here. Got it plumb and then transfer the line all the way down. I'm going to take this out. Once we've made the cut, this bit's coming out and it's going to create our cavity.
With the good, don't lose your hope. You haven't lost your touch.
Alright, so we've cleared our cavity and got some mortar mix. That's a 4-to-1 mix, standard mix. Put our clamp post down now. In place there. Be alright for us that. I know it's too big the damp, but we'll cut it off after.
Things will work out right in time. Get your mindset and you'll be just fine. Things will work out right in time.
So we've got our L ties here. Also we've got our screws and our plugs as well. 7mm drill bit, and we're going to put our ties every 2 cores. So we're going to put our L ties here into that block. We're also going to put some ties out here, some wall ties, to tie this brickwork in on the outside. Nice pink bucket